Hey, this is a tutorial and feature video for my Umbraco Helper extension. It's available on both Firefox and Chrome, and I'll be showing you version 1.0.1. You can install it from the Firefox and Chrome extension stores. It's intended for heavy Umbraco users. Often as Umbraco developers or users we have to go to the Umbraco site, but often we write it wrong. It's so annoying. Now instead, using the extension, I can just click on the button and take me straight to Umbraco. Clicking on it again while I'm in Umbraco will take me back to the root of the website. The second feature, and this is my favorite feature, is that let's say I'm looking at a page on the front end, like this biker jacket page, and I want to be able to edit in Umbraco. Rather than having to search for it in the tree, I can just double click on the extension up here, and it'll take me straight to that page ready to be edited. So this saves me from having to search in this tree. However, this feature does require you to be logged in, so if I log out now and then double click on here, it's going to have an error. I have to be logged in for it to work. The final feature is that it creates a context menu here. So if I right click and then go down here, I can access those two features I've already mentioned, such as opening up the back office or finding the current page. It also adds some helpful links. So let's say I want to go to the Umbraco GitHub, I can just click here. It takes me straight to the Umbraco GitHub page. I can also edit the extension and customize it to my needs by going in here, clicking options. Let's say I don't like the blue logo, I can change that. Now it's orange. Also, if maybe I don't use the Umbraco GitHub page, I can just remove that here. Now that link has disappeared here. Please, if you use this extension and you enjoy it, please review it on Firefox or Chrome store. Even if you don't like it, just review it. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please tweet about it. I'd love to get some more users on here. I spent a lot of time building this extension. I've been using it for the past year. I found it very useful, and I hope that you'll find it useful as well.